What's up, everyone? I'm gonna try to show you guys how to change the low beam headlight on a 2017 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. This works on many models. It'll look, whichever ones has the lights that look like this, you can do it. So it's gonna be the low beam light right here. I got the replacement one right here, this regular H7 halogen, and I've seen a few videos, but it seems like it's really hard, so I'm going to show you the standard way to do it. This is how it looks like. This is the piece you got to take out. It's best to have one of these multi-tools, makes the job so much easier. You just need something with a flat head. So what you do, first you want to twist it a little bit. This piece right here, you just twist it a little bit, make sure it's loose. Take this flat piece right here and just pry it open like that. It's gonna come right out. Don't break the plastic, just wherever you can squeeze it in, you get it out. Move it a little bit. Because a lot of people out there saying you got to take off a lot of pieces, you got to do something. You don't have to do any of that. So you see right there, this is the seal, the weatherproofing one. It comes right out. Simple. This is what it looks like. You put it on the side. Now to take the old headlight out, you can show it right there. It's inside there. You got to twist it counterclockwise. So you turn your body straight and basically you got to go this way. Move it that way, you'll hear it click and it'll be ready to take out. That's it right there. The whole thing comes out like that. After this is what it looks like. You grab it from the side, you pull it out. This is the old one. This is H7. You need any H7 light. This is what they look like for this car. H7. That's what I got right here too. H7. This is the new one. Looks exactly the same. And you can only put it one way. This is the piece that you got to put it properly. You can see it's right there. This piece goes just like that. Clicks in. Make it nice and snug. Now just try to put it right back into the assembly. There's a slot. You'll feel it when it just slides right in. And now we got to tighten it this way, clockwise. When you hear the click, move it around. It's pretty much done. Before you close it, you're going to try it. Keep the light right there. And it's working. You see this one's working and the other one as well. Back to this one. Very simple. Now, this is, you can disregard it. I'm gonna turn off the car now, 1 second. Now we just put this weather seal right back in. There's one wire right here, if you could put it. This one right here. I think that's for the washer fluid. So just it's soft, just you avoid that one, but it's really, you can just move it around and put your seal right here, water seal right here, put it in, turn it a couple times, and you just pretty much gotta push it in, and that's it. You don't need to remove any parts. It's really simple, and it costs anyone you want to buy for like $7-8, you can replace it. I hope that helps you guys out.